Hi there, hi everyone, welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, June the 9th, 2023, almost end of the week. Yeah. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. I will do those in the evening, but let me start first with the second puzzle. The first one I've already solved, the Sudoku Light, and this will be the second one, the Sudoku Heavy. News of today: well, the 4 children are rescued in the jungle of Colombia, the Amazon area. Yeah, plane crashed there, and the adults not alive, so only 4 children, and they survived. Yeah. All right. This one, Sudoku Heavy, number 6565. 665. Yeah, 665. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between. Only place level 8. Shoot me there. We have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left with 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, only 2 places left with 8 should be here. Oh, there we see an 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for 8 should be here. On there, we see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Okay. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. On there, we see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the third column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Alright. Okay. And now. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row. Third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We see 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 in the column next, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Okay. Alright. Let me see. 6. Yeah. And now 9. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here. On there, we see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. Yeah. 9. So I need a 9 here. Need a 9 here. Right? 9. Yeah. 176. And we have 6 there. Yeah. 5, 4, 9. 3. 3. 3. Okay. Need to think. 6. Need a 6 there. 1 and the 2. 1. And the 5 then. Okay. We have a pair, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this column, so no 9 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 and a 5 in the third row, so no 9 and 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 and 5 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5, okay. So we have now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, third row. 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. On there, we see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Okay. Well, the hay fever is back again. Well. 1. 1, okay. Cannot continue with the 1. 2, 3, 7. No, 2, 6, 7. 2, 6, 7. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 2, 6, 7. That means 1 digit left in this column for number the 1, the 2. 3 is missing here. So I need a 3 there. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, okay. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in the third row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. On there, we see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. 3. Okay, now need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. On there, we see a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Then 1 box left in this row for number the 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. 4 missing numbers. In the middle row, one of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in the middle row. Should be there. Okay. 7 and 5. 2 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and the 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers now. In the third row, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this big square. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 1 and this. 7. Okay. 7 and 6 here. 2 missing numbers. Middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Here we have 2 missing numbers. Here 9 and the 5. The other pair should be the 2 and the 7 here. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 box left in. No. 2 missing numbers here. The 9 and the 5. 9 and the 5. We have a 5 in this big square, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 6 there. 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and the 9 are missing. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then, let me see. Let me see. 1, 6, and the 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 6, 2. How about 1, 7, 6, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7, 1, 6, 7. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in this column. No 1 and a 6 in this box. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 is also missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. The 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, told you, need 15 to 20 minutes to solve this Sudoku Heavy. Is it really a heavy? Well, don't think so. But we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the evening with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.